of these crises. So that's the reason why I'm convinced that we are going down to the old lows that we had. However, the turning point that we identified in the Dow Jones didn't really break down to the bottom, and rather after it went into our direction a little bit, it turned around and went up. And we corrected that by being long in another index in Germany. So yesterday we made a bit over 1,200 euro with being long in it, and today I made another 135 euro. However, I didn't trust it too much, so I just had that very short trade in, went into my direction. I pretty much took profits very, very quickly rather than letting it run. In hindsight, I could have made up to 3,000 euro, but I didn't trust the markets. They didn't really look very well. So I decided to leave that for the day, but in total we made around 1,400, or a little bit short of 1,400 euro. And that's very similar to what the Dow Jones cost is. So we got stopped out with a loss of 1,499 euro and 10 cents. So basically what we lost in the Dow Jones trade, we made back on Germany, and now we can turn around and make more money in an upwards direction. And when we see another turning point, we will do exactly the same trade again, because as I said before, I'm still convinced we will go down sooner or later, and we now are having movement upwards and downwards market. And as you see, even if I would be wrong, it doesn't really matter, because we still wouldn't lose money, because what we would lose in the short direction by being wrong, we will gain again in another index in a shorter term time frame. So for us, that's like pretty much a zero-sum game. And once we are right, we will get a lot of money out of it. With that being said, we had some more trades being closed today. So apart from the Dow Jones that pretty much is already paid with what we did in trading the German index, we were stopped out in wheat with earnings of 85 euro and 80 cents. I closed euro US dollar trade with a profit of 1,240 euro and 81 cents. I already mentioned the DAX trade with plus 135 euro, and I exited gold as well with plus 69 euro, as it didn't seem to really go into my direction with the kind of speed that I would have liked to see. So in total for the day, we are up 31 euro and 51 cents. The Dow Jones trade weight or pretty much erased what we gained there. However, we had a very nice day yesterday. So in total, we are still up very nicely over the last 2 days. And we still have some open trades which look quite good. So let me go through the list here. First of all, we have an open trade in coffee where we are in the positive with 606 euros. So I put in a protective stop loss order so that whatever happens from now on, we will make some money in coffee. We entered soybeans that went against us today. So we're down 504 euro, but still looks all right. So we might see a rebound tomorrow and get back into the profit zone. Oil is a little bit down at currently plus 66 euro. And then we have cotton, which is doing very, very well. We are up 1,561 euro. So what we had in terms of a bit of bad luck in soybeans, we made back with cotton 3 times. Then we have a position in US dollar Japanese yen, which is currently down 23,000 yen, which equals 193 euro roughly. And on the other side, we are trading, we are long in US dollar Japanese yen and short in US dollar Singapore dollar for different reasons, but they both are affected, of course, by the movement of the US dollar. So in US dollar Singapore dollar, we are up 765 Singapore dollars, and that would equal 482 euro, so that in total we are up roughly 2,000 euro that we carry forward for tomorrow, and we will see where we can make some more money out of it. Now I gotta go and prepare a webinar. Once a month I have a webinar with all of my students where we go deeper into different trading styles and into different trading topics, and today I will talk about different patterns, how to trade them, how to spot them, and how to predict these kind of things and the markets in the future. So I'm gonna leave you now and talk to you again tomorrow about our next trading results. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening and goodbye.